Welcome to the volcano that is an island mountain glacier. Its name is Asia. It's near the city of Reykjavik. The city is in Iceland.
The nearest plate is the Eurasian Plate. The last erupted in 2010. Seismic activity started in the end of 2009 and got worse over time, which caused the volcanic eruptions.
It's a stratovolcano and is about 5,465 feet tall. It is covered by an ice cap about 39 square miles big. It reaches 5 to 6 kilometers into the atmosphere. It's our model of the eruption.
What happened?